Now we will look at some problems which are important for IPE. So first problem is two forces of magnitudes 3 units and 5 units at 60 degrees with each other. What is the magnitude of their resultant? So two forces means force is vector quantity. So two vectors, what are the magnitudes? 3 units, second one is 5 units. Suppose I am taking P equal to 3, Q equal to 5. So what is the angle between these two? 60 degrees. This is one vector, that is P. This is another vector, that is Q. What is the angle between these two? 60 degrees. What we have to find here? We have to find the magnitude of the resultant. So what is the formula to find magnitude? That is R. R means resultant. Resultant equal to modulus R. That means magnitude of resultant. Under root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Okay, what is P? 3. What is Q? 5. What is theta? 60 degrees. Substitute these values in this equation. Under root of P square means 3 square. What is Q square? 5 square plus 2 into P means 3. What is Q? 5. Cos theta means cos 60. Next, under root of 3 square means 9. 5 square means 25. Plus 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 5, 30. Cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? That is 1 by 2. Next, under root of 9 plus 25, 34. Plus 2 ones are 15 the cancel. Plus 15. That is 34 plus 15, that is 49. Root 49 value is 7. What is the magnitude of resultant? 7 units. Okay. Next problem, when two right angled vectors of magnitudes 7 units and 24 units combined, what is the magnitude of their resultant? So here two vectors are given. So what are those two vectors? For suppose one is P, second one is Q. What is the P? 7. What is the vector Q? That is 24. So okay, 7 units, 24 units. So what is the angle between these two? Right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. Or suppose this is vector P, this is vector Q. These two vectors perpendicular to each other. Right angle means perpendicular. What is the angle between these two? 90 degrees. Theta equal to 90 degrees. We have to find the resultant of these two. What is the magnitude of resultant? R is equal to under root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Substitute above values in this equation. What is P? That means 7 square. What is Q square? 24 square. Q value is 24. So I substituted 24 plus 2. P means 7 units. What is Q? 24. What is cos theta? Cos theta. What is theta? Theta is the angle between these two vectors, that is 90 degrees. Cos 90. 7 square means 49. 24 square means 576. 2 into 7, 14 into 24. What is cos 90 value? Cos 90 value is 0. Okay. 49 plus 576, that is 625. plus 0 into anything 0. What is the value? Root 625. Root 625 is, what is the value of root 625? 25. 25 units. What is the magnitude of resultant? 25. Okay, these are the two vectors. P is equal to 7 units, Q is equal to 24 units. These two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Right angles means perpendicular. Okay, then what is the magnitude of resultant? This is the formula to find magnitude of resultant. What is that formula? R equal to under root of p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. If we substitute p, q, theta values in this equation, we get magnitude of resultant, that is 25 units. Okay, next problem is, if p equal to 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 14 k cap, q equal to 4 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 10 k cap, find the magnitude of p plus q. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ టూ వెక్టర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఒకటి దిస్ ఇస్ పీ వెక్టర్, దిస్ ఇస్ క్యూ వెక్టర్. రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత దాన్ని మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. సో ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద పీ? 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 14 k cap. What is vector q? 4 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 10 k cap. First of all, let us add these two, p plus q. What is p plus q? 2i plus 4j plus 14k plus, what is vector q? That is 4i cap plus 4j cap plus 10k cap. So now 2i plus 4i, that is 6i cap. 4j cap plus 4j cap, that is 8j cap plus 14k cap plus 10k cap, 24k cap. So this is p plus q. But what is the magnitude of p plus q? Magnitude of p plus q. What is the magnitude of p plus q? So magnitude of p plus q we can find. So mod p plus q means magnitude of p plus q, that is under root of 6 square. What is the x component? 6 here. What is the y component? 8. 8 square. What is the z component here? 24. 24 whole square. Okay, what is 6 square? 36. What is 8 square? That is 64. What is 24 whole square? That is 576. 36 plus 64, that is 100 plus 576. The root of 100 plus 576, 676. Root 676, value is 26. 26 units is a magnitude of resultant. Okay, thank you.